Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change a layout structure in Elementor, right? As you can see, I'm onto my screen and here I'm just creating a new web page on my website using Elementor, right? Now I just want to change the layout of my structure, right? Then how I can do it? Like I just need to move my cursor on the top left header line, and here you will find a structure option in the right top side, right? And you just need to click on that, and here you can see a structure has been opened of this particular page, right? In this page we have added a container in the first column, first section, right? And in the second section we have again added a container, and in the third section we have added a grid, right, having two containers, right? Let me show you over here. As you can see, this is the first container, this is this one, and moving down again, this is again a container, right? And in this container there is grid having two containers, right? This particular section, right? This is a grid having two containers, and when we add a new container over here, then it would be reflected over here, right? Now we just want to change the layout of this particular structure, right? I just want this particular section to be displayed on top of the second section, right? I just want to move the third section to the second section, right? So how I can do it is like I just need to move my cursor over the third section in the structure, and then simply left click and start dragging that third section to the second section, and then simply drop that section over there, right? So as you can see, like the third section have been moved to the second section, right? So this is how you can simply change the layout of your structure in Elementor. If you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.